give review about the Dell laptop Inspiron 157000. Now I'm opening the laptop, and you can see guys, this is the Dell sticker. Here you get that. You can see here we get the things about this laptop, and this laptop is Core i7 8th gen, Intel Core i7 8th gen. And guys, you get this keypad. It's a nice keypad, and here you get the camera, and guys, here you get the charging port. Here you can fit the charging cable, and here you get the type C cable, and this is the HDMI cable, and this is USB 1 and USB 2, and this is the aux pin port. Guys, this is the SD card port, and this is the USB port, and this one is the LAN, and this is simply given. Guys, this light blink only on when the charging is on, and you can see this light. And now guys, I am on the laptop, and you can see here you get the light on the keyboard. You can see it in the dark. I will show you right now. You can see these things. This is the keyboard light. You can see this. This is very helpful in the dark to see. And there guys, you can see the laptop screen is on. You can see guys, here you can see the laptop screen. Now I will show the specs of this laptop guys. You can see, I will show you right now. You can see guys, this is the specs of this laptop. You can see it clearly. Guys, you can see the price of this laptop. This price is only for India guys, and I will even give the specifications of this laptop in this video guys. You can even buy this laptop. I will be giving this laptop link in the description. You can even buy this laptop guys. And guys, you can see this is the back side of the laptop. Here it is written Inspiron. You can see this here, and here you can see this things. Here you can see guys everything. And guys, now I will show you this. This is really slim guys, slim, sleek, and this is the side, and
Bye.